Oh my god, it didn't record.
What'd you do?
I don't know how that didn't.
There, now it's recording.
I didn't do it. There, it's recording. Good morning, everyone. Round 2. Apparently, I fail at recording.
10:01 and 1 degree outside right now, but when we did leave Sydney, it was 3 degrees. We are coming up on the
Broad d'Or
crossing,
which is about 30 minutes outside of Sydney.
Yeah.
We are heading to do the Cape Breton National Park trail loop situation. And then eventually today end up in Moncton, New Brunswick. That's our stopping point. Lots of driving today, lots of scenic views. So yeah, come along with us. Wow, it's more windy this time around. Wow, that's a ride.
Yeah.
All right, so come along on this windy ride with us then.
We are just cresting the top of, or we just crested the top of Kelly's Mountain, 240 meters.
The smallest ferry crossing I think we'll probably ever experience in almost probably maybe our whole lives. That's pretty dang small. That's pretty dang small.
Yeah, I was just thinking of the Albion ferry, but that was actually pretty decent.
Yeah. This is like barely anything. But yeah, this is basically the start of the actual Cabot Trail, Cape Breton Highlands loop. So we're gonna cross on this ferry shortly here, and then we'll be into the craziness. So cool.
And that's it. Here we go. Shortest little ferry. I wonder if this actually has a prop. My guess maybe not. I feel like it's just gonna be something like a motor that just kind of drags the cable. And this specific boat was built in 2007. And just like that, we're on the other side. We're on the outside of Ingonish Beach by about 15 minutes. I don't know what this mountain is. It doesn't have a name, but
That's the ocean. It's like looking at Big Sur, but in Canada. Totally Big Sur, but Canadian style. It's crazy. Now I see why it's like famously, like internationally famous. They groom it in the summertime?
I think so. Because this is all rock anyways.
Yeah. It's just from Google that this was the best beach along the Cabot Trail. So I don't know. So I wouldn't call this the best beach. The waves are impressive, but like other than that, I feel like I'm gonna die if I go down there.
No, and you can go down there and do it.
That's scary! Look at that!
That's not scary!
That's actually scary. The things you do when you're off-road. When you're winter adventuring. You got this, boo-boo! This is New Haven
Cove. 1:13 p.m. So we're at this small little random place, and it's a boat launch. We thought maybe there was a nice point that we could get out to here, but it's just not gonna happen. Looks like it's kind of an off-road trail. Doesn't say private property or anything, but considering the winter and the ice and everything, I just not really interested in going over there because I don't know how slippery or anything it's gonna be. So now we're here. Just Leslie, I was just gonna say, if it's black, walk on the rings. Otherwise you're gonna slip and fall. Even then you might slip and fall. What? I said even then you might slip and fall. Huh? So close. Because you were walking down there and it's black, and I was like, that's gonna be the perfect spot. You're wearing these like foam bottom shoes. You're gonna slide right in there like skis and be like in the ocean. Yeah, in the ocean. And yeah, like it's not gonna pull you out, but you're just gonna, yeah, you're gonna be soaked.
Why is this such a struggle?
Because I thought you were gonna go over there, but I think you're right. I think this might be a little bit of a drop, and like I don't know what's over there.
Yeah, I don't think I can like, I don't know how to get down there in a safe manner in the snow.
Yeah.
In summertime where I could tell where things are.
Yeah, but like there could be rock here, or that could just be a
big thing of snow that you
yeah, slide into.
Yeah. This is not the place, unfortunately. It looks like
so close, and we even had all the build up. Okay, we did it. We fucking did it. The one thing that we wanted to do this whole time, that I wanted to do when I went down to Florida, was touch the water down in the Gulf, and I did. Took me a couple times, but I finally did it. Now here we are at some pullout in this place. I'll have to insert it here. Beautiful. Nice easy way to walk down. Just wait! 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 Too much, too much! Ah! Uh-oh, uh-oh!
lucky because that would have been really, if I had like, that was the wave, I still got wet, but like, it could have been worse. I did it. Are you gonna do it or is it too scary?
Why is it too scary?
Your feet.
No, I can do it. It's coming pretty close. I just gotta like time it.
The right wave.
I just really don't want my
You can do it, I believe in you.
That one was coming for me. Why?
Oh my god. I got that on video too. You'll have to watch yourself.
Oh my.
Huh? What?
Sorta. I gotta get my money's worth. Oh, it's so cold. That's what I didn't want to happen.
Oh my god, it's so funny. It's so cold.
It's so cold.
Yeah. I think it's colder than the Pacific.
Oh yeah. I need to find out what the temperature of this is once we get back in there because my hand is literally on fire. It's so cold.
It's fucking funny. That was still worth the wait. And that is the end of Cape Breton National Park.
We won't be coming back. Because now that we're going away from everything, that'll be it.
Those are so cute. Chiticamp. Chiticamp? I don't know. Toujours chantant. I want this, don't I?
Yeah, rocks. This is the, oh, I think I have it the wrong way. This is the Canso Canal. So it connects the interior water to the exterior water. And I guess levels out the water so that way if it's low tide or high tide you can make it through in either way. Oh, we can go. We're just coming up to Kobid Pass. So you want tap cash, e-pass, left lane. Not center though. actually using my phone. Ready?
Yeah.
Probably doesn't take debit.
It's a parcel.
Oh. Here you go. Probably tap outside there. Oh.
Thank you.
8:33 p.m. It's -7 degrees out, and we're just coming up to the not PEI. Oh, that was it right there. Yep, boom. Just like that.
Welcome to New Brunswick.
I beamed for a sec. I don't know if I got that at all. It's very dark. I'll have to come back and do this again. Yay.
Confused by this person.
What? I know.
And then these cars are like parked right by the corner.
Yeah, it should not be a thing anywhere else, and then it's kind of making it hard for oncoming traffic. But this is downtown, downtown Moncton.
We're almost at.
Oh, look at that.
Should be on the other side of this like overpass.
Underpass.
Underpass? Overpass?
Well, overpass when you go over top of it. Underpass, you go under it. Oh. So we're not going to make the pool. We think it's going to be too rushed, so we're going to go down and have a beer from the pub that's in the hotel that is open till midnight. Because that's a doable thing. At the pool, rushing down, we still have to check in unless they didn't check in yet. So.
It'd be like a pre-check-in, but it'd be the same thing as like the Holiday Inn.
Yeah.
Where I still have to go to the desk and everything. Oh look, hi.
Hyatt Place. Is that it?
Yeah, but I just don't know where to like
Park?
park.
Oh, I thought you have parking lot. Oh, maybe go left here. There's our. Wow, looks kinda. Looks exactly like I thought it would look like, based on the pictures from the. What do you call it?
Oh, there's like a front entrance there.
That's probably good enough. That's it, we made it. Thanks for not killing us, Leslie. Oh, it's an Italian grill.
Here. I was gonna go down there, but I think here to check in.
Yeah, there's gates there. You gotta have your key probably.
You can drive us to the parking lot. I need to like not drive for a second.
Why?
Because the darkness has made me feel really tired and sleepy.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Washington, D.C. And taxation without representation.
If you want